Hey little learners, good morning. Namaskar. Today we will be learning speaking activity, then writing activity, and then we will do poem number 7. So are you all ready? Let's get going. Speaking activity. Talking about festivals. In India, people celebrate different festivals. As I told you earlier, we have two types of festival: national festival and religious festivals. Which is your favorite festival? Discuss about the festival in the picture. What do you like to do on these festivals and share your views with me. Alright, so this is your homework speaking activity. आपको यहाँ पे दो पिक्चर्स देख पा रहे हैं आप लोग? दिख रहे हैं आपको दो पिक्चर्स? Yes, the one picture, the first picture, left hand side वाला picture is of Diwali celebrations and the right hand side वाला picture is of Holi. Very good. Now, which of these two festivals? Diwali and Holi. Very good. Then how are they celebrated? हम उसको कैसे मनाते हैं वो आपको मुझे बताना है. Then what do you wear on these days? वो आपको मुझे बताना है. Then describe a special thing that is done to celebrate the day. Alright, so this activity is your task. Now turn the page and come to writing portion. Come to page number 92, writing portion describing a picture. Wow, what a beautiful picture it is. So let's describe it. And let's see the instructions first. Describe the picture. Write sentences as the mother is lighting diyas. We have to write a and the plus naming word plus is/am/are, that is helping verb, or we can say it as auxiliary verbs, plus action words, that is verb, doing words, plus ing, plus naming words. So in this formation we have to write the sentences. So let's start. Let's see the picture first. What you can see here? A woman in a blue sari, a small little girl, a small little boy, and a man. So it's a family picture. Now let's write. A woman is wearing a blue sari. Write it down. The. Instead of writing a, we will write the. Okay. The woman is wearing a blue sari. Done. Now come to the next one. The man is holding a blue box. See, the man is having a blue box? Yes. So we will write the man is holding a blue box. Then what else we can see? Yes, the little girl is wearing pink clothes. Write it down. The little girl is wearing pink clothes. Then she is looking at the woman. She is looking at the woman. Then the boy is lighting a firecracker. See? Boy is lighting a firecracker. Yes, so we will write the boy is lighting a firecracker. So this is how we had completed our writing activity. Now come to poem number 7, Johnny's Christmas. Dear kids, please come to page number 93, Johnny's Christmas. Papa and Mama, come on, read with me. Papa and Mama and Baby and Dot, Willie and me, the whole of the lot of us all went over in Bimbolai's sleigh to Grandmama's house on Christmas Day. Grandmama wants watching for us, there is no doubt. She soon come to meet us and helped us all out. And oh, the red apples and popcorns on strings, and balls of it too, and nuts, candy and things, and oh, such a dinner and such pumpkin pie. I eat and I eat till I thought I would die. This is the poem written by, adapted from Johnny's Christmas by Libby C. Bear. So it's a poem all about Christmas. And what is the poem about? It is about Christmas. Where did the children go? The children go to Grandmama's house. What was there to eat? What was there to eat, dear kids? Yes, red apples, popcorn on string, candies, nuts, and so many things. Pumpkin pie. And I eat and I eat till I thought I would die. So this is all about poem. Now let us do poem appreciation. Find rhyming words from the poem for the following words. There are two words, sleigh and pie. So let's write its rhyming word. The rhyming word for sleigh is day. Write it down, D-A-Y, day. Then pie. The rhyming word for pie is die, D-I-E, die. Now let us do question number 2. Find the errors in the poem. Underline the wrong words in each line and write the correct one. So let's start it. Grandmama was watching for us. There's no doubt. Instead of this K-N-O-W, we will write N-O. No doubt. Then she soon come to greet us. All out. Underline greet, and instead of greet, what will come? Meet. Very good. Write it down. M-E-E-T, meet. Then, and oh, the red apple and popcorn on wings. It was wings? No, it was strings. So underline wings and write it down, strings. Now come to the next line. And balls of it too, and huts. There was huts? Look here. No, it is nuts. So we will underline huts and we will write nuts. And balls of it, 2 and nuts, candy and things. And oh much. Oh much है क्या वहाँ पे? No, it's and oh such. Look here. And oh such. So we will write and oh instead of much we will write such such. A dinner and such pumpkin pie. Then come to the last one. I eat and I eat. Will I thought I would die. Will के बदले what will come? Till. So we will write till. Till. Now let us read it with the correct words. Grandma was watching for us, there is no doubt. She soon come to meet us and helped us all out. And oh, the red apples and popcorn on wings, on strings. And balls of it too, and nuts, candy and things. And oh much, and oh such, a dinner and such pumpkin pie. I eat and I eat till I thought I would die. Very good, my dear students. Now turn the page, come to enrichment. Enrichment, page number 94. Neeta and her family celebrated Diwali in a special way. They did not buy crackers and saved that money to buy sweets for poor children. They donated their spare clothes, books and toys to poor children. Isn't it a good way to celebrate a festival? Yes, it is. So, we will have a discussion. Class discussion is not possible, so we will have an online discussion through your videos and answer the questions. So what you have to do is आपको एक small video बनाना है, mini video, जिसमें आपको इन सब के आंसर्स देने हैं. Should we burn crackers? What harm can they cause to people, animals and our environment? Yes, इससे pollution होता है जिससे ये सारे लोगों को harm होता है. Then आपने साइंस में पढ़ा होगा. Then how can we help the poor and needy on a special day such as a festival or a birthday? Yes, we can help them by donating our clothes, by donating their needy things like whatever they need, like blankets, bed sheets. We can donate all these things to them, food items. So this help them. Alright, instead of wasting money on crackers and something else, we should save that money for poor and needy peoples. It will create happiness in their faces and it will give peace to our heart. So, this enrichment exercise is your homework. Along with it, you have to read this. I can read wala session. I can read wala session. Alright. So, enrichment page number 94 and speaking activity is your homework. Keep this in your mind. You have to make 2 videos. One is for enrichment and one is for speaking. So, this is your speaking activity. So, dear kids, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will meet with a new topic. Till then, keep studying, keep reading your textbook. Bye, take care, thank you, and namaskar. God bless you.